Welcome back. Today I'm going off the art topic and going to share with you what I learned from video influencers, Sean Cannell and Benji Travis. I watched a video of theirs that explained the 7 C's of YouTube, and it really was encouraging and insightful, so I thought I would share it with you. So I'm going to share what I got out of this video. It's a very simplified version of what they were talking about. You can see their whole video. There is a link in the description box below, so I would encourage you to definitely watch the whole thing. Okay, so simply the 7 C's are courage, clarity, channel, content, community, consistency, and cash. Number 1 is courage. So if you don't have a channel yet, just start. Nobody's going to start it for you. So be brave and just get going. As Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So get started. You don't need all the fancy equipment and highfalutin cameras. Just start with what you have. A cell phone and a pile of books will get you a great setup to get going. Just get started. Then you can work your way up to where you want to be. But most importantly, be yourself. Be your authentic self. Let your audience get to know you, your point of view. Even if your point of view is a bit controversial and doesn't always sit well with everyone, just be you, but be kind. Number 2 is clarity. When you're starting your channel, or even if you have an established channel, stop and think about who is your audience. Have a strategy and know what you want to do with your channel. Who do you want to attract to your channel? And what's the goal for your audience? How can you help them? It may help to grow your audience if you choose a niche within your topic or your industry. Your channel should be there to help your audience. So know where you want to go with your channel and why you want to go and how you're going to get there. So have a plan and a strategy and you'll be well on your way. You've heard the expression, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. That doesn't apply any more than it does to your channel. So make your channel your own. Brand it with custom headers, profile photo, a trailer video, a custom subscribe button, custom thumbnail layouts with the same layout and colors and fonts. All of this really helps for people to start to recognize who you are and to recognize your videos when they come up in the feed. This is a screenshot of my home page on my channel, and you can see the different customizations that I've made to my channel homepage. I have a header, a trailer video, and my custom thumbnail layouts all use the same colors, the same or similar fonts. I have my social media links up at the top. When I first started creating for YouTube just a little over a year ago, I didn't know any of this, you guys. I just stumbled upon some really good video influencers and people who really knew what they were doing, and I just followed their advice. So I do think it helps, and I hope that you will just pause the video and take a look and see how maybe you can implement some of these things for your channel. On YouTube, content really is king. Lots to consider here, but the main thing is just think about what you're putting out there and always put your audience first. Don't use YouTube just to publicize your own business or your own interests. If you want to mention your business or put a link to your business, that's all well and good, but don't just publish content about your business. People want to know what you can do for them. So make your content about your audience. Give them what they expect, what they want, why they're coming to your channel. Ask yourself, Am I educating or am I entertaining? Those are two things the audience really wants. And always deliver value to your audience. Then make your custom thumbnail and your title merge in a way that it explains what your video is going to cover. Ask yourself if it's an interesting title. Research your keywords and titles for your best search engine optimization. For example, your title might be How to Make Lots of Money with Few Subscribers, but your thumbnail can say Making Money with a Small Channel. See? More keywords, better optimization, and better search. They'll find you. Next is your intro. Another saying, tell them what you're going to tell them, then tell them. So the most important part of your video is the first 10 to 30 or 40 seconds. That's the hook. So let your viewers know what you're going to cover in your video and what they can expect to get out of it. Give them a reason to stick around and watch the whole video and see if they can learn something or if you can entertain them. I've heard so many people say, oh, I could start a channel, but I don't know what to make my videos about, or I have a channel, but I don't understand why my view time and my watch time is so inconsistent. It's up and down, and I'm not sure why. If you look at your channel analytics and you see which of your videos are performing the best, that's what you want to do more of. The ones that have low watch time or less views, you want to do less of. Pretty simple, right? Another question that's often asked is, what's the best time to upload? Well, there's a lot of apps out there that can track your videos and tell you when your audience is most likely to be on YouTube or when they're most likely to watch videos. That's your peak time for your channel, so that would be the time you want to upload. You can upload when it's convenient to you and schedule your videos to publish at the best time. So upload at 3 o'clock in the morning and schedule your video to publish at 10 in the morning. Community is number 5. And Benji's wife said, if content is the heart of YouTube, then community is the soul. And that's so, so true. When you're on your channel and you are subscribing to other people's channels, connect with the people who you know and you trust. And it's just like in the real world, you guys. You know, you want to connect with the people that you know or have your best interests at heart, and they know that you feel the same about them. And always acknowledge every comment on your videos with a reply. That will really help build your community. Number 6 is consistency. Upload videos regularly. Upload once a month, once a week, every day. It doesn't matter how often, just be consistent. Stick with it and be committed to it. You can shoot a bunch of videos all in one day, then edit and upload them, but when you upload each one, schedule it to publish at a specified date and time. It's easier that way. Number 7 is cash. Are you monetized yet? I'm not yet, but that's a big push for me on my channel. So follow the first 6 C's to grow your channel and your community, and it will help us all get monetized a little bit quicker. Follow all the YouTube rules and regulations as well to keep your channel in good standing so they will monetize you. Well, that's what I got out of Sean and Benji's video, and I got a whole lot more too, but I don't want to go on about it. I would prefer that you go and watch the whole video on their channel. I have the link in the description box below. Check out their channel, you guys. They are a wealth of great information. They have tons and tons and tons of subscribers, and they know how to do it right. So go take a lesson from them. I appreciate you being here and watching this. I hope it helped you some, whether you're an established channel or whether you're just starting out or whether you don't even have a channel at all yet. If you got something out of this video and enjoyed learning what I learned, give this video a thumbs up. share it. Maybe somebody else could appreciate the information as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you did that. And in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.